In this video, I'll show you how to trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader 5. First, it's important to know that MetaTrader 5 does not provide Bitcoin trading by itself. Whether you can trade Bitcoin depends on your broker. MetaQuote says MT5 is a multi-asset platform, and the symbols available in your account come from the broker connected to that platform. So before anything else, make sure your broker offers a Bitcoin symbol, such as BTCUSD or another crypto instrument on your MT5 account. Next, open MetaTrader 5 and add the Bitcoin symbol to MarketWatch. MetaQuote says you can click the plus sign in MarketWatch and type the symbol name to quickly add it. Once Bitcoin appears in the list, open its chart and review the price movement. After that, place your trade. MetaQuote says MT5 supports market and pending orders, depending on your broker's execution mode. Choose buy if you expect the price to go up, or sell if you expect it to go down. Then enter your trade size and confirm the order. One important reminder: Bitcoin on MT5 is often offered through a broker's product, not direct spot ownership of BTC, so always check what instrument you are actually trading with that broker. That matters for fees, leverage, and risk. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.